People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people.
The car of missing Clarendon teacher Natalie Dawkins was recovered by the St. Catherine North Police after a deadly confrontation with at least two men in Brownsall, St. Catherine earlier Saturday. According to the St. Catherine North Police, upon approaching the area where the car was found, they were shot at by at least one man who was later killed when the police returned fire. A firearm was seized. The police say they are still processing the scene. The police note, however, that the search for the missing teacher continues. Meanwhile, teachers and parents from the Four Paths Primary School were out on Saturday issuing flyers to motorists and pedestrians in Clarendon as they beg for the public's assistance in locating their colleague. We spoke to the principal of Four Paths Primary School, Rosemary Logan.
My teachers are sad, of course, about everything that is happening. But this morning, a number of them were out. As a matter of fact, I think all the teachers were out this morning, and even some of our parents were here this morning in solidarity, saying that we need Miss Dawkins to come home, not just to come home, but come home alive.
They were gathered along the ending of the east-west leg of Highway 2000, where Dawkins' bag was reportedly found days earlier. An envelope was found with a name written on it. Family members later confirmed that it's the name of Natalie's brother. A cell phone was also found. The Clarendon police say investigations are ongoing. Principal Logan says she met with Dawkins the morning of the day she went missing.
We were planning a meeting with all the School Improvement Plan Committee. I would have said to Miss Dawkins, remember our meeting tomorrow. She said, yes, miss, I am going to be there. Even to the point where she was supposed to come in at 8 o'clock the Wednesday morning and prepare the sandwiches for the team. So you can imagine when we did not see her, because she's usually a punctual person, you know how we would have felt about it.
She says the school community is devastated by Dawkins' disappearance.
It's a very traumatic time for us. It's a very frustrating time. It's a very depressing time for us right now. Very depressing.
Christine Forbes, CVM Live.
So viewers and subscribers, that is the situation going on with Natalie Dawkins at the moment, people. I did a recent video talking about the incident and trying to give you guys update on it. And news coming out of Jamaica today that they have identified the suspect that was killed last Saturday, that was involved in a shootout with the police, and he's 20 years old, people, and you're looking at him right now on the screen. 20 years old. And now the police have arrested the 23-year-old brother of the slain suspect in the disappearance of missing Clarendon teacher Natalie Dawkins, people. So you have one that's 20 years old and the other one is 23 years old. Two brothers, people, that is involved with this lady's disappearance. 20 years old, you know, and at this him choose. This is the life him choose, people. Jano. So now them arrest his brother, people. So we just pray and hope that them can get some information out of him so they can find the teacher, people. And we just pray and hope, as I said, that she's found alive and in good health. Jano, because there's a sad situation that has unfolded, people. 20 and 23 years old, you know, and a crime them pick up. Them pick up crime. I tell people I will never understand them. When I was 20 years old and 23 years old, crime was the last thing on my mind. There is so much out there to see, so much out there to do, and at that them pick up. Just sad, people. But this is a quick update on the story, people. But once I get more information, I will let you guys know as well. So I will keep an update on what is actually going on if I get any more information. And if you scroll down a couple of videos, you will see where I was talking about the disappearance of Natalie Dawkins, people. All right. So once again, get more information, I will pass it along to you guys. So much love and appreciation, and thank you once again for tuning in. Bless up in yourself, people.